Welcome back to Coin Vault, your trusted stop for the world of rare, unique, and valuable coins. In today's episode, we dive deep into one of the most collected coins in American history, the 1974 USA 1-cent Lincoln penny. This small copper coin may not look special at first glance, but today I will show you its history, composition, mint marks, grading, varieties, error coins, and of course its market value, which is $7.90 as provided. So stay tuned till the end, because you might have a hidden treasure in your pocket. The Lincoln penny was first introduced in 1909, replacing the Indian head cent. By 1974, the coin had already become an iconic symbol of American currency. The 1974 penny features Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, designed by Victor David Brenner. 1974 was an important year because the USA was facing rising copper prices and the mint was testing alternative metals. Some experimental varieties were even created, but more on that later. The regular 1974 1-cent penny is made of 95% copper, 5% zinc weight, 3.11 grams diameter, 19 mm because it contains real copper. Many collectors appreciate the coin for its metal value as well. The 1974 penny was produced in 3 different mints. 1974, no mint mark. Philadelphia, mint most common version, 1974 D. Diver mint mark D under the year. 1974 S. San Francisco, mint mostly proof coins with superior finish. Each of these versions can have different market values, depending on condition and rarity. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know. Market value of 1974 USA 1-cent coin. Given value $7.90. However, the value can vary based on grading. Circulated condition, 10 cents to $1 fine to extra fine, $1 to $3 uncirculated, MS, 60 to MS, 65 $5 to $20 proof coins. 1974 $10 to $50 depending on grade. Coins with near perfect surfaces, no scratches, and original mint shine get a much higher price. Collectors love errors, and 1974 has several. 1. 1974 aluminum penny, ultra rare. These were test coins made for the government. Less than 20 are known to exist. Value thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars, if genuine, but extremely rare. 2. Double die error, DDO/DDR. Mistakes during the minting process caused the design to double. Value $50 to $500 depending on clarity. 3. Off-center strikes. Part of the coin's design is missing. Value $20 to $150. 4. Die cracks/cud errors, raised cracks, or broken die marks on the coin. Value $10 to $80 if you ever find one of these. Keep it safe. It could be a real treasure. Here is what you must check. Sharp details on Lincoln's hair and beard, shiny original mint luster, no scratches or spots, clear mint mark, strong strike. No weakness. Use a magnifying glass to check for doubling. Look for die cracks or unusual shapes. Condition is everything. A perfect coin is always more valuable. If you want to sell, use professional grading, PCGS and GC. Avoid cleaning your coin. Compare prices on online marketplaces. Know the difference between regular and error coins if you want to buy. Always check authenticity. Ask for clear photos. Prefer graded coins for investment. Thank you for watching this full breakdown of the 1974 USA 1-cent coin here on Coin Vault. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below which coin you want next. We love hearing from you. Until the next video, happy collecting. This is Coin Vault signing off.